Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can add someone on a Google Chat to start conversations too. First thing you have to do is just go open your Google Chat application. You can just type into your app library a Google Chat or just simply tap chat here. So the Google Chat application could be symbolized with this. You can just visit your app store to install the application with this icon. Tap it to open the applications on your phone. Wait until it's perfectly open, and if you want to add someone, you just need to tap into this icon to start a new conversations. And the next, you just need to tap the Google ID or Google address. It could be the same with the Gmail address of someone that you want to add into your Google Chat here. Okay, let me show you. Let's say I'll let you add my friend here. And right after the address is correct, it could be popping up the contact in the matching suggestions, and then you just need to tap on it. And then you will start the conversation with this person, and then you just need to type what do you want to send into your friends here, and then just send it. And then you just need to wait until your friend is accepting your request here. So you're done. That's the way how you can add someone on Google Chat. Hopefully you understand this tutorial today. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and let's move again into other video.